There are multiple ways to do the one on the left, but I'm gonna do it the way I think is the fastest and easiest way to understand. So let's see if you guys understands it. All right, so I'm gonna rewrite it to give myself a little bit more space. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing as last time with the radical. We're gonna raise both sides to a certain power. Check this out. What would I raise this side by to get rid of 2 over 3? Now, I'm only doing this because that's a fraction exponent. I suppose I could do this with other exponents, but what would I multiply to 2 over 3 so that it's not a fraction anymore? Yeah?
3.
Ooh, I like your thinking. Yeah, some of you guys are saying 3. And if you square or raise both sides to the third power, you would be on the right path because this 3 and this 3 would cancel out because you put that 3 over 1, right? Right? But what if we did something else like a 3 over 2? That's the reciprocal. What? That's what you said? Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. And what happens when I go 2 times 3? I get 6. And then I go 3 times 2, I get 6. What is 6 over 6? Uno. Okay, so we have x minus 4. And that'd be 6 over 6. Which is just an uno. Right? On this side, I have to do the same thing. I have to raise the 25 to the 3 over 2. Oh, snappity waggity daggity. So how do you do that? What is 25 raised to the 3 over 2? Well, you have to do the power or the root first. Remember what we talked about? This is the flower and this is the root. Flower power. Okay, so what would you rather do? Raise 25 to the third power or take the square root of 25? Yeah, square root. That's what I'm talking about. So that 25 becomes what?
5.
At 5. Now, 5 raised to the third power is? So we have x minus 4 equals 5 raised to the third power is 125. And then I just had to add 4 to both sides. I get 129, and then I box it because I'm a boss. Correct, because I did not square root both sides, like as an inverse operation. If I have to square root both sides, like as an inverse operation, then you would have a plus or minus. Hey, if I plug in 129 into this, oh, I guess it doesn't matter if I get a negative because it's an odd root. If it was an even root, then it would matter. But anyways, that problem's done.